My name is Jasleen Dhanoa. I was a ROBO Master student and currently I'm a research assistant with the ScalAR Lab. So when I was in my undergrad, there were a couple of students who were working on a robotics project and I thought this was the coolest thing ever. And it was also the time when DeepMind released AlphaGo. It was an exciting time. A lot of robotics applications were on horizon. I believed, and I still believe, that robotics has a large role to play in our future, and I wanted to be a part of it. So in order to choose my faculty advisor, I first did a little bit of introspection into what field I wanted to work on. Once I got a better idea of what I wanted from my time at Penn, I went through all the faculty profiles and I read their current research to get a better understanding of what they are interested in. And at that time, I was very interested in perception and SLAM, and CJ was working in it, so I chose Dr. CJ Tailor as my academic or faculty advisor. CJ helped me select courses, and he also helped me to get started with research. I took a couple of courses with Dr. Ani Hsieh, and I believe she has a tremendous impact on my journey at Penn. She got me started with research. I've sought her advice on which courses to take, career advice and whatnot. And during a robotics competition, ScalAR, we reached out to her and she connected us with people. She helped us get access to facilities and as well as funding. So none of this would have been possible without both of them. My favorite part about the ROBO program was last summer doing research, tackling a research problem on your own, talking to other PhD students about your research, and then finally going and doing field deployments. It was so much fun and rewarding. So last summer we deployed a boat in the Schuylkill River which was autonomous, and it was so rewarding to see it finally work. In most of my courses, I wasn't the only female engineer in the class, so I never felt intimidated or out of place. In fact, in one of my courses, MEME 520, Introduction to Robotics, in the final robotics challenge, we were part of an all-girls group and we came second, so that goes on to show that it's not just an all-boys club. Apart from that, I work with Ani, and her lab has a good percentage of female PhD students, and they have been wonderful role models, and they go out of their way to make you feel seen and heard, and I had a great time here.